Hey there, this is Maggie, and I wanted to share with you my experience at the Bite Lip Lab. So this is by Bite Beauty, but they have lip labs, I believe 5 across the US, where you can customize and create your own lipstick. The one that we have here in Dallas is in North Park Mall, so I wanted to share with you how I picked my favorite lipstick. So the lipstick color that I wanted to create was a cranberry shade. I have a hard time with this shade because I have a neutral skin tone, and the cranberry lipsticks that I was finding were either going too red or they were going too purple. So I had to choose a color that was purely like a berry tone. So these are the 3 that I used. I believe the first one is beetroot. Then I used, I believe it's called blue. And then this bottom one here is called, I think it's a purpley shade. I'm actually not too sure. The girl really helped me coming up with my own shade. Yeah, so the whole process altogether is about 40 minutes. So it's not too bad, but it's really cool. You can see her custom create your own lipstick. So what she's doing next, once you find the 3 colors, is she mixes them all together, and then she gives you a little lip swab or a cotton swab for you to try it on. If you don't like it, you can go back again. But if you do like it, I believe this was my second time, then she's going to go ahead and create the actual lipstick formula for me. She's using measurements that she already has for the 3 shades that I chose. And then she's weighing them on a like custom or a scale here so that she can know exactly how much of each shade to use. Next, she is going to melt the 3 shades together in this little microwave in just that little jar that she has. Then she put it in this like spinner thing that is spinning the lipstick together so that it mixes properly. Then she's going to pour that mixture into the little lip container, little lip canister, lipstick bullet canister. I'm not too sure the names of all this. After that, she's going to set that metal canister there on top of the freezer all the way to the left here. And that is where it's going to, get cool. After a bit, I think it was like 15 minutes, we were able to look at the lipstick bullet and put it in the container, the lipstick holder. I'm not sure any of the proper names for these things, but she had to do this super carefully, and it was so cool to create your own lipstick. You can also name it, and the Lip Lab has a custom engraver that you can engrave the bottle with the name that you chose. So it was super fun, such a great experience, and I will definitely be doing this again. So stay tuned for my next video where I show you the color on and a look as well. Talk soon. Bye.